Paradise Nutrients product presentation. Have you ever been in a situation where you're sweaty and you're hot and you're going to meet somebody and you just don't feel right about the odours coming from under your arms and around your body? Well, now Paradise Nutrients has released Nature's Rose Deodorant. This is an amazing deodorant. It's actually beautiful to smell. It's got a great rose scent about it, and it's fantastic. Doesn't take much to change the situation. It's actually made from tea tree, hydrosol and leaf extracts. So there's a couple of ingredients from the tea tree in here. And they actually have some unbelievable benefits for your skin, for the pores of the skin, etc. So we don't just have the tea tree in there. We actually have a rose oil in there as well. And there are many benefits coming from the rose oil. We have a lemongrass oil in there as well, and some lemongrass extracts. We actually have some clove extracts go in there, and we also have some citronella extracts in this product as well. And they all play a very important role when it comes to using a product as a deodorant. It's aluminium free, which is very, very important. There's a lot of ingredients out there in deodorants that contain aluminium, which can help clog. It actually clogs up the pores of the skin and can create infections, cause acne, a range of other different things. Paradise Nutrients Nature's Rose Deodorant is 100% natural and has no preservatives. It has its own natural preservatives in there, and it just has the most beautiful smell. And so now let's have a look at some of the benefits that come from some of the ingredients of Nature's Rose. Well, number one ingredient comes from our tea trees, from the Paradise Nutrients tea tree plantations, and these have the original mother trees on it. They have the seedlings from the original mother trees, which is very important because it carries the original DNA of the tea tree and the tea tree oil. That's important to us because the strength of the tea tree ingredients, both from the hydrosol and the leaf extracts, contain the original DNA, which has the original strength to it and the original qualities that makes this such a great product. The rose oil also has some really good benefits to it. It's not just a fragrance, not just to help us smell nice, which is a real benefit of course, especially if you suffer from excess sweating and so on. But it also helps with scent and the smell, and also the liquid itself helps to ease anxiety and stress. It also contains some antibacterial and anti-fungal properties. So rose oil also has some sensuality benefits. So if you're in that mood or in that lovable mood and you're wanting to build that mood up a little, then Nature's Rose might just be the spray for you. One of the other ingredients we have in Nature's Rose Deodorant is lemongrass oil. Of course, lemongrass is rich in folic acid and zinc and magnesium, copper, potassium, iron, phosphorus, calcium, among other things like vitamins, vitamin A, B and C, along with many other plant compounds. So if you're looking for more information on Nature's Rose Deodorant, go to our Paradise Nutrients websites and look up Nature's Rose Deodorant, and you'll see all the benefits there of the ingredients in this great product.